Summer heat can be unbearable, and finding an affordable AC unit is a real challenge. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Aliexpress Portable AC. The Aliexpress windowless portable air conditioner caught my eye right away with its sleek and compact design, priced at just $118.59. If you want a portable, bladeless fan that can easily fit into any room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a 2-gallon water tank, which means less time spent constantly refilling it. The 120 degrees wide oscillation ensures that cool air reaches every corner of your room, perfect for those hot summer days. Plus, with 3 different wind speeds and 4 modes including an eco mode, you can customize your comfort level. This unit has already sold over 200 times in the last month, which shows it's gaining traction with customers. Now, some people complained about the unit being a bit loud on the highest settings. Here's the thing though, it's still quieter than traditional window units. And honestly, if you're using it in a bedroom, the sleep mode is surprisingly gentle. So it shouldn't be a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible cooling option that doesn't require installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something that cools a large space quickly. It's best for small to medium rooms and is a fantastic value for the price. Now, if the Aliexpress portability was appealing, but you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next option might just fit the bill. Product number 2, ZHORCIN Mini Split AC. Next up is the ZHORCIN Small Mini Split Air Conditioner, priced at an incredibly low $71.91. If you want efficient cooling without the hassle of a window unit, this is definitely worth considering. This model offers rapid cooling with a temperature drop of 13 degrees C within just 10 seconds. The 10 dB noise level is impressively quiet, making it ideal for nighttime use. Plus, it's wall-mounted, which saves floor space. With 200 units sold last month, it's clear that many are opting for this sleek solution. Now, some users have pointed out that it may struggle to cool larger rooms effectively. Here's the thing though, it's specifically designed for smaller spaces, so if you stick to that, you'll likely be very satisfied with its performance. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and stylish cooling solution that fits well into small living areas. Skip this one if you need something to cool larger spaces quickly, but for the price, it's a steal for smaller rooms. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a higher capacity. Product number 3, AC Window Seal Kit. Now let's talk about the portable air conditioner window seal kit priced at just $21.99. If you already have a portable AC and want to improve its efficiency, this kit is a must-have. This seal kit prevents hot air from entering your room, allowing your AC to work more efficiently, which is crucial during those scorching days. With over 100 units sold recently, it's a simple yet effective solution that many users are adopting to save on energy costs. Now, some folks mention that it might not fit all window types perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you have standard windows, it should work just fine. For unusually shaped windows, you might need a bit of creativity, but it could still be worth it for the savings. This is perfect for you if you already have a portable AC and want to maximize its efficiency without spending a ton. Skip this if you're looking for a standalone cooling solution, but it's a great addition to your setup. Now, if you're looking for a more standalone unit that's still budget-friendly, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, 24 Portable AC Unit. Next is the 24 windowless portable air conditioner, which comes in at $109.99. This one really impressed me with its functionality and design, making it a great option if you're looking for something versatile. This unit not only cools but also humidifies your space, which is perfect for dry environments. With its 3 modes and 3 speeds, you can customize your cooling experience easily. The 2-gallon tank is impressive and holds more water so you can enjoy continuous cooling. It's already sold over 50 units this month, indicating people are finding it effective. Now, some users did mention that it can take a bit of time to cool down a room initially. Here's the thing though, once it gets going, the cooling power is solid. and the oscillation feature helps distribute air evenly throughout the room. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional unit that doesn't take up too much space and is easy to use. Skip this if you're after something that will instantly cool a large room, but it's definitely a great value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, 4-in-1 Windowless AC. Last on our list is the 4-in-1 windowless air conditioner priced at $169.99. I'll be real with you, this one offers a lot of features that could be perfect for a more extensive cooling solution. With a 3.2-gallon tank that allows for 24-hour cooling, this unit is designed for long-term use. The LED touchscreen is user-friendly, making it easy to adjust settings. Plus, the waterless alert system is a nice touch, ensuring you won't run out of water unexpectedly. It's a bit pricier, but with its features, it's getting a lot of attention with 0 reviews so far, which could be a risk or a hidden gem. Now, some users might think the price point is a bit high compared to others on this list. Here's the thing though, if you want a reliable unit that can run for a full day on a single fill and offers great features, it might just be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that can keep your space cool for a long duration. Skip this if you're strictly on a tight budget, but it does provide great value for those willing to spend a bit more. So if you're looking for more versatility, this could be the one for you. To wrap things up, we've gone over some fantastic options today. The AEROZY Portable AC is great for flexibility, while the ZHORCIN Mini Split really shines in small spaces. If you need a seal kit, the Portable Air Conditioner Window Seal Kit is an affordable way to boost efficiency. The 24 Portable AC unit offers a good mix of features, and the 4-in-1 Windowless Air Conditioner is perfect for those who want something a bit more advanced. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the 24 Portable AC unit because it balances price and performance beautifully. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the 4-in-1 Windowless AC if you're not ready to spend a bit more. There are better budget options out there. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.